All right, let me get it.
Okay, let me go. Are we ready for this shit?
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jay weighing in at 199.4 pounds. Not bad. We've consistently stayed under 200 pounds for a while now, and this has been our lowest streak of like 2 weeks in the longest time yet. So even though we haven't quite reached that 195, 190 range yet, I can tell that I'm leaning out and I'm feeling good.
What's up, y'all? All right, it's first thing in the morning. My mom's still sleeping, so I'm going to hop on the treadmill and get hopefully at least a 45-minute run in here. I'd like to do at least, if not an hour, I'd like to spend at least 2 hours today on the treadmill. If I gotta do an hour this morning and an hour in the evening, that's fine. But if I can crank it out all at once, that would be cool too. And then we'll get into the sauna today too. I'm pretty sore and a little tired from all the working out I did yesterday. So today I'll just run and stretch. Yeah, we'll eat clean and that'll be the day. Should be pretty simple. All right, more love, more success.
Oh, dripping from that run. I was just pouring sweat today. Oh my goodness. Whew. Quick little physique update. Feeling pretty good. What's up, everybody? I just weighed in. So yeah, we ran this morning. Ran for quite a while, and then we sat in the sauna. All my stuff has kind of been broken up today. I ran for like 45 minutes, then I had to go help my mom, and then I ran for like another 45 minutes, then went back and helped. Got in the sauna for like 20 minutes, went and helped. Another 20 minutes. So it's like, I'm doing what I can. Then I go do emails, so it's like up and down and everything. But I think we're doing good. And I know I got like 9 pounds to lose to hit my goal of losing 13 pounds this month, but I think I'm going to get pretty close to 190, especially when things settle down here. Maybe able to get some good rest and focus in on what I'm doing a bit more. So I think things are going well considering all things. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling leaner, and yeah, I haven't really had cravings for anything too bad or anything. I'm in a pretty decent headspace considering the stress and everything in my life. So I think we are progressing forward. So I'm excited to see what the next kind of 15 days entails this month. And we are getting closer to 175 every day. So I'm feeling good. And we haven't gone backwards. That's a huge thing as well. We haven't gone backwards at all. Only moving forward. So I'm feeling good, man. Feeling good. All right, more love, more success, y'all. Check out my meal next. All right, this is what I'm gonna have for dinner. Random. So we got a big crunch from KFC. It's about 600 calories, 25 grams of protein. Shout out to BP. Hook me up with one of these. I'm gonna eat a bunch of this broccoli, maybe 50, 100 calories. I'm gonna have 4 of these. It's basically just lean ground beef and made into a patty with some mushroom soup. I'm gonna have 4 of these. It's gonna be about 1,000 calories, 100 grams of protein, 125 grams of protein. This meal is probably gonna be, and I would say about 1,800 calories. So not bad, but we fit in a little treat tonight. You know what I'm saying? We've been killing it. All right, more love, more success.